we're good to go right now.
Okay, good. I'm Peter.
This is Brandon Hopkins.
Ron King.
Ryan Skinner.
And this is Group 10, Lesson 3 quiz in preparation.
Okay, so where are we going to start? We're going to start on the assignment, or are we just going to go straight to the test? Does anyone have anything they didn't understand?
I think more or less I'm pretty good. The few things I didn't understand weren't that bad, so I'll end up figuring it out. It's not that far off, I don't think. So I'm pretty good.
Yeah, I think I'm good. I think I can get through it.
As far as the preparation, the only things it asked for is we had to do number 7, make a histogram of the stock performance data for each of the companies, and then we paste our graphs. And then it says, compare the results you obtained with the others in your group. Describe the differences and similarities between the different graphs. So as far as differences and similarities, for Ryan, now your question wasn't about the histograms, was it? Was it the box plot that you were not recognizing?
Yeah, that's correct. I was confusing the two terms between the histogram and the box plot. So it was the box plot that I wasn't actually fully comprehending the differences between those the bell curves and how they were left skewed, right skewed, and symmetrical. So it's to elaborate, I should say I wasn't really grasping what visual differences there were on the box plot. But I think if I have some time after this to analyze it a little further, it'll make sense. I know they went over that in one of the videos pretty closely, so I'll probably just go and re-watch that in my free time and have a better idea of it.
Okay, great.
Preparation assignment.
Okay, yep. That's pretty close to mine, except you've got 2 boxes to the left.
Yeah, I did 14 bins, and depending on that you do or put in there.
Yeah, I did 7.
Okay, so this one right here shows right skewed because it goes down to the right.
Longer tail.
I think this one would also kind of be considered right skewed. This also, it looks like all of them are right skewed.
Well, the exception of D. D's probably it's more in the middle. So does it? They both, yeah.
Okay, so these are the histograms, and these are the box plots. And so a box plot like this would be, with a long whisker here, would be a right skewed.
Yeah.
So if this box were right in the middle, it would be symmetrical. So on from there. So from what we were supposed to compare about them, what we saw, and then for retirement, which of these 5 companies would be the most attractive? For me, I chose B. Just looking at it, just because there's losses, that's not very big, and so your gains tended to go out, and you had bigger gains. Had higher payouts and lower losses.
Yeah, I said B and C. You know, the C had some big losses, but it had a lot more wins, and it had a lot more higher wins as well.
Yeah.
Or should I say increases in share price?
Yeah.
Had quite a few in the 200 block, in the 150 block.
And that E doesn't look like you're going to make much money. It's either up, it's up and down almost as much as it is, you know, across the board.
Yeah. And then D looked pretty flat. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Are you all comfortable doing the standard deviation by hand?
I feel pretty comfortable.
Yeah.
All All right. So
Are we going to start our quiz now, or what do we do?
Brandon, do you feel good about everything?
Sure, let's do it.
All right, let's go to it. Everybody have their copy of the quiz open?
Yep, I've got mine open.
Mine's open.
Gonna do that. in a second.
I'll answer questions 1 and 2 for you guys.
I think we all deserve extra credit for all the technical difficulties we had to weed through.
Yeah.
No kidding.
Oh,
I'm guessing we're not alone.
Yeah, I'm sure we're not. Okay, so let's look at question 3. We need to all download that Excel file, the wrong site, wrong patient Excel document. I've downloaded it. It has a whole bunch of numbers in it for wrong site, for wrong parent, and then a whole bunch of comments. So the next 3 questions are all based on that document. Has everyone got it?
We round everything to the nearest, or to the 3rd decimal point.
Oh, I thought it said to the nearest. I read that wrong.
Full dollar.
I thought it was a full dollar.
Yeah. Question 3 says, find the mean amount of hospitals had to pay in wrong site lawsuits. Round your answer to the nearest whole dollar.
Yeah.
Okay, just below the wrong site patient. Okay, if it says whole dollar, because it says when calculating anything, please remember to round to 3 decimal places unless otherwise. So I guess it's otherwise specifying.
Yeah.
The whole
But
dollar.
I just think when you're doing the formula manually, there's a big difference between the long rounding and short rounding it. It gives you a different answer. I saw that on some of the homework we did. Okay, so question 3 says find the mean amount hospitals had to pay in wrong site lawsuits. So that's obviously the first column, wrong site. The answer I got was 80,041.
My calculator might be rounding a little different because I got 80,042.
Okay.
But
I got
good to me.
41.2433. So I'd say 80,041.
Yeah. Okay. Who's doing the next one?
80041. Got it.
Okay, so the next question, question 4, wants the medium amount the hospitals had to pay in the wrong lawsuit.
Wrong site lawsuit.
What was the question 3 again? 80,041?
Yep, 80041.
All right.
And then on the question 4, I didn't get any decimals on it. I got 68,552. Anyone get anything different?
Sorry, what was
Nope.
that?
It was 60. Sorry, say again, Ron.
68,552.
Yep. Did you hear that, Brandon?
Yes. Yeah.
Is that what you got as well? Cool.
Trying to get.
If you paste it into that Excel document, it gives you it pretty much gives you all the answers to double check.
Yeah, I'm having the hardest time pasting these numbers in.
If you scroll down, select them all, and then copy and then paste it in that left-hand, the paste data below.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do, but it's combining the numbers with the numbers I already have in there that aren't erasing, and
Yeah, very nice.
I have the worst trouble with Excel. Sorry, guys.
Are you on a Mac?
No, I'm not on a Mac.
No.
Select all the ones in the A2 through, I'd go down to,
Okay, you know the quantitative descriptive statistics thing where we're supposed to paste the numbers into? It already has numbers in there, and I can't erase them. That's what I'm trying to do, is erase these numbers. And so I'm highlighting them and I'm hitting the erase button. I don't know how to erase these things in Excel.
If you look at the top of your Excel, does it say it's enable edit?
Enable edit. Yeah, yeah. These are the numbers these are the numbers I pasted in here when I was doing the homework or the application thing. So I've already started using this. I just can't get the numbers out now.
A2, and then click on it with your mouse, and then drag all the way down to all the numbers, and then highlight them, and then just hit delete.
Delete. It didn't delete them. They're still there.
What happens if you try and type in those boxes? Does it change the number at all?
Yeah, if I type into it. I don't know why I can't delete it.
Okay.
Hold on a second. Or keep going, whichever one of the two.
In backspace or delete?
I'm trying both, backspace and delete.
Okay, do me another. Let's
Find the standard deviation of the amount paid in wrong site lawsuits. And deviation.
So this one I rounded up because it was.
Yep.
What did you guys get on that one?
I got 71,404.
Yep, that's what I got as well. 71,404.
Okay.
Ryan, did you get that as well?
Yeah, 71,404.
Yeah.
So Brandon, did you have your wrong patient information in the wrong site, wrong patient statistics one? In yours?
I have the information from the mystery investment opportunities in there. From the application thing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want us to move on, Brandon, or you?
Yeah, keep going. Don't wait for me.
Okay.
All right, so question 6.
5.
Right? Says what is the mean?
Sorry,
what is the mean survival time in months for these 4 patients? So above it said, I'm not sure if I can pronounce that word. Hepatic angiosarcoma is a rare, unusual, fatal type of liver cancer. Their study was conducted on 4 individuals with this illness. This data represents their survival times in months. So to get the mean, of course, that's just the average. So you add all 4 of those up and divide by 4. I got 7.
Yep, that's what I got as well.
Yep.
All right. Saving that one. Let's see. Now, the next question on question 7, what's the median? I guess I'm a little confused because the example that the instructor showed on the video is nice and simple because he used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But when you have numbers where the points are plotted in a skewed fashion like that, what do you do to find the median number? It's supposed to be the middle one, but there's no clear middle number.
Your months are 12. So there's 12 months. So you'd add up the total and divide it by 12, right?
No, for what?
For the median survival time in months. So the data is listed in months, survival time months, 5 months, 19 months, 1 month,
Yep.
3 months.
Yep.
So you would add up all those months and then divide it by 12. Correct?
No, I thought you would divide it by the. What are you talking about? To get the medium survival?
In months.
Yeah. Okay.
So 28 divided by 12, because there's 12 months in a year. I think. I mean, I'm getting.
So this is the way I understood median. If there's an even number, you add the 2 middle ones together, and divide by 2. If there's an odd number, you take the middle one.
That's correct.
So in this case, you would take 3 plus 5 is 8 and divide it by 2, and your median would be 4.
That makes sense. I guess I was thinking about it visually, because visually it was nice and symmetrical when they did the example.
Yeah.
So that kind of threw me off here. But yeah, I think you're right, Peter.
Yeah.
I was doing mean.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay, so I got an answer of 4 for the medium. Okay, so the next question 8, they want us to look at the table and then just, I guess, label it. So I don't know if we have to label it perfectly spelled or whatever. They said, what is A and what is B? Those are the next 2 questions.
So are they asking what's the deviation of 19? So
well,
how far away is 19 from the median, which we decided was 4, correct?
Okay, is that what they're asking? I was wondering if they're asking the label, because they said, yeah, give the number. Oh, okay, yeah, you're right. I misread that. Okay.
Yeah, that would be 4. He's right.
Okay.
Well, I mean, so 19 is 15 away from 4.
Right.
So I think the answer would be 15.
Spaces. Yes.
Correct.
Everybody like that answer?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, and then the next one is in field C, which is the squared one. So we'd have to work out the deviations from the mean, which I guess would be 1 minus 4, which gives you -3. And then you square that, which would give you 9.
Right.
Is that right?
Yes.
Is that the right answer?
Yeah. That's what I'm getting.
So,
yeah. Just when we hit submit, don't remember who answered what question. Okay, question 10. What is the standard deviation of the survival time?
8.
Okay, someone already I'm just working out.
let's see.
Oh, with the upward. Oh, we got to do the whole thing. So we need to do the whole chart.
Yeah, that's what I just cut and paste now.
Let me get a piece of paper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So do we have to write it out in whole numbers, or do we to the nearest 10?
It'll come out in whole numbers. There's no decimals in there.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah, there is decimals. I worked it out too. So nearest 10 is that a? So I've worked it out to 8.16 or 8.17 if I round up to 2 digits. So what is that to the nearest 10th? 8.
I got 15.362. Did I do that wrong?
Oh boy, we got different answers now. Okay, let's try this again.
Oh no, I did do it wrong. Hold on. Let me fix what I did.
You're giving me a heart attack here. I'm trying to work out.
I did that very wrong. Let me fix that.
I got 8.869.
Hold on, let me go. I'm redoing.
Yeah, I got 8.869423.
So if we're going to the nearest 10th, it'd be 8.9.
See, I got 8.2.
8.869. That's what I'm getting to. Okay, cool.
So let me go through the chart and see if everybody got the same thing. So with the 5 minus 4 is 1. 19 minus 4 is 15. 1 minus 4 is negative 3. And then 3 minus 4 is negative 1. So you take 1 times 1 itself is 1. 15 times 15 is 225. Negative 3.
Hold on, just go back again.
15 for 19, the A is 15. And so you do 15 times 15, and that's 225. So then negative 3 times negative 3 is 9, and negative 1 times negative 1 is 1. So you add those together, it's 236. Then the 236, you take the number, and there's 4 of them, minus 1, so it'd be 3. 236 divided by 3 equals 78.6. And then the square root of 78.6 is 8.869423.
Yes, that's what I got.
Did you get those numbers, Peter?
No, I'm just trying to see what I've done wrong here.
It sounds, Peter, like you weren't off by much. I wonder if you didn't add one of the little small numbers to the whole or something like that.
I'm happy to go with give me your one again. 8.9.
Yep.
Now it's weird. Now I don't know, in the chart, if you put those numbers in the chart, so I'm wondering if I'm doing something wrong. You put 5, 19, 1, 3, and then the standard deviation, you do get what I think Peter got, 8 point, let me see.
So let's just do this again. So the mean is 7, is that right?
Yeah.
So 1 minus 7 is 6. No, I've done something real wrong here.
So we missed the other ones too. We should have done 5 minus 7.
Yeah.
So you're right, mean. And see, I keep getting median and mean mixed up.
Oh yeah.
So that's where I messed up. So 5 minus 7 is negative 2. 19 minus 7 is 12. So we change that one answer. Then 1 minus 7 is 6. And 3 minus 7 is negative 4.
Yeah, that's what I've got.
Oh, I'm so glad we figured that out.
Well, we got to go back and change that one answer also.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking. I'm trying to find that answer now where we wrote it.
The A and B. Oh, never mind. Maybe those were different.
So,
no?
So A, yeah, there's no, because it's 19. So 19 should be 12. Oh yeah, wow, we did that one wrong.
See, I'm glad I'm not.
Yeah. So, am I right in assuming for question 8? Question 8 is 19 minus 12. 19 minus 7, which gives you 12. Is that right?
That's correct.
So we got to change that one to 12.
Then negative 6, the times itself is actually 36. So B is 36.
That's question 9, hey?
Yep. Tell me if you guys agree with that.
Yes.
I've got so many Excel documents over, I'm lost. Let me just see what the graph. So B was 1, hey? B was 1, yep, 36. Okay, so yep, that was lucky.
That is correct. So that will make our, give your answer rounded to the nearest 10th. That would make it 8.2.
Yeah, that's what I'm getting now is 8.1649 blah blah blah. So yeah, 8.2.
Okay. My Excel document is such a mess. 200 divided by.
Oh, thank you, Peter. I'm glad you caught that.
Glad you stuck to your guns.
Yeah.
I've messed up my whole Excel document now. I'll have to fix it tonight. I don't know what I was doing wrong. Okay, so question 11. What is the... hold on. Which question did we just finish?
10.
10. Okay, so 10 was 8.2.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So for the next 3 questions, give the 5-number summary of the wrong patient lawsuit. Okay, so we've got to go back to that document. Wrong patient lawsuit.
Five-number summary would be the yellow portion, which is 1, 2.5, 4, 8.5, and 19. You guys get that?
For which question?
For 11.
For question 11.
The first number is 1.
So what is the first number in the 5-number summary of the wrong data?
Page. My bad. See, I'm still on wrong site. Wrong patient. Got it.
So is that 0? Oh no. What is the first number in the 5 numbers? Yeah, it's
are they
0.
asking what the lowest, the very lowest payout was?
Yeah, so if you remember, the 5-number summary is a minimum, quarter 1, medium, quarter 3, maximum.
So the first number would be 0, wouldn't it?
Yeah, that's what I think. What puts me off is it says give a number rounded to the nearest cents.
Yeah.
Cents.
What?
So there will be others. Well, I don't see. Hold on, I got to add some.
Because I looked at all the numbers and they're 0. They're not 0.1.
No, you're going to have. You're going to have to do to the nearest.
What is the first number in the 5 numbers?
Highlight those 5 numbers in the chart. All of them have 0, 0 after them, except for quarter 3. Quarter 3 is going to be 50,145 and 50 cents.
Okay.
So all the others are 0.00.
Okay. So let's say question 11 is what the heck?
The second number, which would be quarter 1.
Oh man, my fucking mouth. So is question 11's answer 0?
That's correct.
Okay. And then question second number, the second number would be 3,900.
That also is correct. You guys see, are you guys getting this or seeing it in your Excel?
No.
Okay, so there's in that Excel thing, if you take the wrong patient information, like earlier we were working on wrong site. So now we're on wrong patient, and that's the other column, starting with 250,000. And so if you paste that in there, all of the stuff, and then the highlighted and the numerical descriptive statistics area, you've got minimum, which is 0, quarter 1, 3,900, median, 18,882, quarter 3, 50,145, 50 cents, and maximum is a whole bunch. Let me see, 1,250,000.
So question 13 is 50145.50. Is that right?
Yep, that's correct.
What was it again?
Okay. 50145.50.
Do you have your Excel sheet up, Brandon?
Yeah, I'm having trouble with the copying and pasting. I can't get the right numbers into it right now.
Cool. Not a problem. Hold on. The fourth number. Okay, so we're moving on to question 14. I hate these things now. So it says Redbox is an increasingly popular way to rent movies in the US. Individuals can go to a Redbox kiosk and have a wide variety of movies to choose from. A study was done in which researchers observed the duration of time in seconds individuals spent making a decision on which movie to rent at Redbox. Answer the next 3 questions based on the following box plot. Okay, so this is where I need help because I battled with these things.
All right, we'll see what we can do.
So it says, what is the third quartile of Redbox decision time?
Okay, so your third quartile, if you look at
the third quartile would be the right side of the top of the box, since it's going up and down, which would be 190, right?
How did you see that?
Because the line that it starts at 0, that's the first, or the minimum, whatever. The second quartile is the line where the box starts. The pink box starts.
Okay.
The middle is the middle of the box. The third quartile is the next line, the top of the box.
Okay.
And then the top is the top line of all of it.
Oh, that makes sense. Okay, so you estimating it's about 190.
Yeah.
Okay. So how does this thing know? Oh, give an estimate. Okay, 190. Perfect. Okay, now I understand it. That makes more sense.
Yep, it's just broken into those 5 numbers.
Okay. Oh, I get it. I feel embarrassed now because that was actually so easy.
Groups.
Okay. So what is the next one? Next one is, what is the longest observation time of Redbox customers in the study?
From 190 to 710.
710.
So 190 to so is it the maximum is 710, or is it 190 versus 710 versus 190?
710 minus
710. Right?
710. Oh, because the maximum. You're right. Okay. Oh no, it says what is the longest time observed.
Well, it says in seconds, estimated seconds, so about 710 seconds, right?
Yeah.
The longest, yeah. Okay, because that would be the longest time. Got it. I remember now.
Okay. 710. Okay, happy with that. Hey, last question. Whoop, whoop. Based on the box plot, what is the value of the mean?
That would be the middle of the box, so that would be the 105 seconds.
105. Let's see, they've got the, oh, okay, yeah, they do.
Wait, don't confuse, well, is it mean or median?
That's what I was just checking for right now.
See,
the mean is the average.
It's so, yeah, we're supposed to do, it can't be determined. It's supposed to be the median is the middle of the box. I just looked in my notes.
Okay, so that's what, 400 and, can we not determine it? 350?
Can't determine it with that box plot.
Nope.
Okay. So explain to me why you can't determine it.
Because the middle of the thing is the median, not the mean.
We need all the numbers, all the...
Oh, okay.
The mean would be like the average, even though we're not supposed to use that word.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
All right, so are we done here? Save all the responses. Who wants to do it first?
Hey, I did last time first.
I'll go first. All right, save all responses. Go to submit quiz. Submit quiz. Yes, submit quiz.
Are you really sure you want to submit the quiz?
Correct. Let's see here. Correct. Uh-oh.
Which one?
Okay. 8 and 9 were bad.
8 and 9.
Yeah, everything else is correct. Unless I'm the only one that put the wrong answers for 8 and 9. I put 15 and 9.
No, you didn't update them. It's 12 and 36.
Oh.
Well, let me.
Gosh darn it. All right.
Let me try. Is that what everyone else said? 12 and 36?
Yeah.
Okay, let me try submit quickly and see.
Yeah, because we had discussed that when we figured out that we did 4 instead of 7.
Yeah, that was my fault. I was looking at the previous median to one of the previous questions, which was 4.
Yeah, so that's 100%, guys. If you fix those two, so
Cool.
answer.
Okay.
So Brandon, it's 12 for 8 and 9 for 36. So just redo it quickly.
Okay. I've got to. I'm gonna have to fill in all the other answers again too, huh?
Yeah, that's fine. I'll read them to you.
Oh, thank you. Okay, let me start it again. Hold on here.
Okay, so the first two are true.
How did I get messed up?
On which one?
Number 4. I put 29,496. It says it's wrong.
Oh no, number 4 is 68,552.
Oh, see, now I got to go back and take it again.
Okay.
All right, now, what was one when you're ready?
So 1 is true. 2 is true.
Oh yeah. I meant 3.
Okay. 3 is 80041.
Okay.
80041.
Yep. Ryan, did you submit already?
I have.
And 100%. Okay,
Thumbs
cool.
up.
Just double check the answers I'm giving these guys.
Okay.
3 is 80041.
Yep. Okay, question 4 is 68552.
68552.
Yep. Question 5 is 71404.
04.
Question 6 is 7. Question 7 is 4.
I remember that one.
Yeah. Question 8 is 12.
Yeah.
Question 9 is 36. Question 10 is 8.2. Question 11 is 0. Question 12 is 3900.
What was that one again?
3900. 3,900.
Okay.
Okay. Question 13 is 50145.50. Do you want me to read that again?
Nope, I got it.
Okay, it's 50145.50.
All right, thank you.
Okay, question 14 is 190. Question 15 is 710. And then the last one is this cannot be determined.
All right, let's see what happens. %. All right, good.
Good deal.
Ryan, do you know how to save the thing and post the link?
I do. I know how to post it for me, but I'm not sure how. Now, from what I understand, if I post it correctly, which I was able to do before by copying and pasting the URL,
Yep.
Am I correct in when they review it, they will get all of your names and then give you credit?
No, you've got to write our names in there.
Yeah, in the comment.
Okay, okay, okay. Well, I have your names in front of me, so I will. I'll be sure to do that right now.
Okay, perfect.
Thank
and
you.
Homework's due Saturday night. The homework quiz.
Yes.
Right.
All right. Thanks for your help, guys. I needed it.
Yeah.
Thank you for your patience, everybody, and getting us all started.
That's
Right.
cool.
I'll see you guys next week. Is Tuesday at what time?
So I think
I'm not sure. Hold on.
My daughter's in the background doing pull-ups.
I'm gonna have to try to get off work on Tuesday. I'm gonna try to switch with somebody. So let's just go for a convenient time for you guys. Let's say same time.
What time was that?
It was 7:30 Mountain Time, Utah
Okay.
time.
So 6:30 for me. Okay, gotcha.
Are you guys happy that early?
I can do anything on Tuesday. I'm workable.
yeah, I'm good on Tuesdays.
Yeah, because I just got to take my daughter to youth. But that's an hour. Okay, I'll speak to my wife. Let's stick 6:30 my time then. That's
Well,
fine.
do you want to go later? We can go 7:30 your time.
Yeah, but that's like 8:30 for everyone else.
Oh,
No,
yeah,
I'm
that's true.
good up through 10:30 my time.
Okay, you guys want to do 8:30 then? Your time, 7:30 our time.
Does that work for you, Ryan?
Oh, that's fine with me.
Okay, and then are we going to try and do one or both of them?
Oh, good question. Let's play it by ear and see where we're at on Tuesday.
Okay, cool.
All right.
We'll try to get both chapters, but if we're only doing one chapter, that's okay too.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
planning for both. I'll be ready for both. So
Yeah, I'll try.
Yeah, I'll
be
try
ready for
to. I
those.
mean, if it's too hard, then I'm just going to be doing one chapter, but I'll try to do both. All right.
Okay, cool. Stop the
Sounds good.
recording. Ryan,
Thanks,
over to
guys.
you. Yeah.
All right.
Just
See you then.
stop us recording
Oh, yeah.
probably a little while ago.